Solving linear equation. So let's identify the value of x using 10 examples. First, we have 4x equals to 4. To solve for the value of x, we need to isolate the variable and remove the coefficient. So how can we do that? We can divide this by 4 both sides. So, cancel ito. Matitira is x. And 4 divided by 4 equals to 1. Number 2, we have x plus 6 equals negative 7. So, this time, how can we isolate this variable? So, itong positive 6, ililipat natin siya dito sa other side. Pag nilipat natin siya dyan, instead of positive 6, it will become negative 6. Negative 6 na dito. So, ang matitira na lang, x equals, copy ito, negative 7 minus 6. Then simplify. Negative 7, negative 6, negative 13. So x is equal to negative 13. Under example, 2x plus 4 equals 8. So how can we completely isolate the x? First, ito munang positive 4. Hiwalay muna natin yan. I-transfer muna natin yan doon sa kabila. So instead of positive 4, it will become negative 4. No? So, ang natira na lang is 2x. 2x equals to, copy ito, 8 minus 4. And then, simplify. 8 minus 4 is equal to, yes, 4. And copy yung 2x. But we need to completely isolate yung x. So, divide both by 2. X is equal to 4 divided by 2, 2. Very good. Next. X over 3 equals negative 9. So, kapag ganito may fraction tayo, ang ginagawa naman po dyan, instead of dividing, we are using opposite operation. So, magmumultiply tayo dito ng 3. Kasi 3 yung denominator niya. And then sa kabila din, 3. So this will be cancelled and cancelled. We only have x, and negative 3, negative 9 times 3, negative 27. So x is equal to negative 27. Another one. X plus 4 over 6 equals 7. Again, aalisin natin yung denominator niya. Multiply by 6, both side, kasi 6 yung denominator niya. So this will be cancelled. Matitira x plus 4 equals 7 times 6, 42. And then, to isolate the x, transfer natin yung 4. 42 minus 4. Meron tayo ditong positive, kaya meron na tayo ditong negative 4. So, x is equal to 38. Another one. So, kapag ganito pong situation, dalawang fraction na, x over 4 equals to negative 20 over 16. Ang ginagawa po dyan is butterfly method. Yan. So, 16 times x, 16x. And negative 20 times 4, negative 80. Then, divide by 16, both sides. So, x is equal to negative 5. Okay, another example. 3x plus 2x plus 6 equals negative 15. What can you observe? Yes po, may mga like terms pa tayo na pwedeng i-combine. So, 3x and 2x. And this will become 5x. So, copy lang yung natira. Plus 6 equals negative 15. And to completely isolate the x, kailangan natin itong i-transfer yung positive 6. So, matitira dito is 5x. This one, transfer siya dyan. So, equals to negative 15, negative 6. Copy yung 5x and negative 15, negative 6, negative 21. Over 5, divide by 5, we have x is equal to negative 21 over 5. Next, negative 3 plus 3 equals negative 2, open and close parentheses, x plus 1. So, combine the like terms, and distribute the negative 2. So, negative 3 plus 3, 0. And negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Negative 2 times 1, negative 2. So, dito, may negative 2x tayo and may negative 2 tayo. Alin kaya dyan ang pwede nating ilipat sa kabila para ma-isolate yung x? Natin yung may variable. So, ito, negative 2x, magiging na siyang positive. So, 2x. And stay yung negative 2. And let's divide it both by 2. So, x is equal to negative 1. Next. Simplify muna natin yung equation before tayo mag-transpose and divide. So, simplify natin, distribute natin siya dyan. Negative 2 times 4. Yes, negative 8. Negative 2 times negative x plus 2x. Dito naman, 6 times x, 6x, and 6 times 2 plus 12. And copy yung natira, plus 3x. Let's simplify. But, wag muna mag-transpose para hindi pumalito. Copy mo na ito. Mamaya na mag-transpose. Diba, this is the like terms. Let's combine that to 6x plus 3x. We have 9x. And copy yung constant, 12. Now, let's transpose the like terms and simplify. So, ito, lipat natin to dito. Pag nilipat natin to dito, sa side na ito, magiging siyang negative 2x. And ito namang 12, lipat natin siya dyan sa kabilang side naman. So, magiging negative 8, magiging negative 12. And negative 12, negative 8, negative 20. 9x minus 2x, 7x. And divide both by 7. So we can get x is equal to negative 20 over 7. Last, 10 minus 5x equals 3. Open and close, x minus 4 minus 2. Open and close, x plus 2. So let's simplify and distribute everything. Copy muna ito. 10 minus 5x is equal to, let's distribute 3x, negative 12. Ito naman, negative 2x, negative 14. So copy. Before we transpose, let's simplify muna. So 3x minus 2x, x na lang. Minus 12, minus 14, minus 26. Lipat natin dito yung 5x sa kabila to make it positive. Ito naman, lipat naman natin to dito sa kabila, yung negative 26. So, 10 instead of negative 26, magiging na siyang 26. positive 26. So let's simplify. X plus 5x. Meron tayong 6x. And 26 plus 10 is equal to 36. And divide both sides by 6. So x is equal to 6.